What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So we have a first update video on a new project we have started a couple days ago, and this is a AOSHIMA kit, and this is the fairlady Z version Nismo 2007. So it's actually a pretty cool car. So we got the body in primer, so we got that out of the way, and then it's about ready to go in paint here in the next couple hours. So like I said, I want to do an update video before I put everything in paint. I can do that, then I'd show you guys everything, basically assembled. So the body looks fantastic. I mean, this is actually a pretty cool body. The Nismo means it's basically like a Liberty Walk kit. It just has an upgraded bumper. I mean, it's not my body. Liberty Walk is my body kits, but it's kind of the same deal. Nismo is only for Nissan, just in case you didn't know, and it basically just replaces the bumpers, so it has different bumpers than the stock car, different side skirts, different spoiler, if not adds onto a spoiler, and obviously a different rear end. So that looks pretty cool. And then they usually have bumble brakes and a different hood, different kind of wheels, and different exhaust, and different a few tunes here and there. But that's pretty much what a Nismo stands for. It's just the aftermarket body kit, you want to say, and just a few on exhaust and brake systems. So the body, like I said, it's in primer and it looks fantastic. There's actually no mold lines on this body. I could not find a single one. I don't know if AOSHIMA really hid them or they're inside the body. I mean, I can't find them. So that's actually pretty incredible. So here's a little divot there for the antenna. I don't think there's antenna included, but I can put an antenna there. But there is an antenna where that little divot is, so not that where that is. But yeah, the whole thing looks pretty cool. I test fit the headlights and taillights to fit on perfect. Once AOSHIMA, it's basically a Tamiya kit. They go together super well. There's a big mesh goes in the front grille and mesh goes in the back bumper. So this is actually a pretty cool car. So the body, like I said, is all done. We are going to go with a carbon fiber roof. Here's a carbon fiber template we cut out, and the rest of them get a carbon fiber roof. Should look pretty cool. So, and yeah, it looks pretty cool. So this is the color. This is the color I'm going with, and it's a gray, or yeah. No, silver. It's a silver, because these Nismos, they're really popular in silvers. I think that's all they do them in. It's like a light silver and a dark silver, or white. And I don't have any white. I don't have any white paint. I was going to do a white, to be honest, but I don't have any white paint. But whatever. So I got this silver, and it's a little bit lighter. It's not dark. Don't yell at me in the comments. But we are going to do something dark on this. I'll explain here in a minute. But yeah, this is a pretty cool color. I had this color in my paint stand for a while. It's actually an old splash paint bottle, because I can tell by that cap, because they don't use this kind of cap anymore. It's really the cap. So it's an older bottle, but it should work just fine. So the body, like I said, it was done. Chassis, it's a curbside kit, so it is pretty simplified. The hood comes separate, which is pretty cool. So you can paint the hood a different color or do all carbon fiber. But I'm gonna keep it separate for now until I get it pretty much patched up and stuff, because I do gotta do a two-tone on this, because the bottom skirts are like a gunmetal or a black, and then yeah, so I want to keep the hood off, just one little thing to last mask off, you want to say. So like I mentioned, the exhaust has upgraded from the normal version, I believe, so it has an upgraded exhaust. And I might do some heat staining on this, so I might do a tutorial video on how I do my heat staining. I think this exhaust would be pretty cool, has some heat stain on it. And then this is the part I believe has changed from the original non-Nismo version. So it's just a different exhaust, and it makes it louder. And then it does obviously have a bigger exhaust tips. So nice black wash will bring those weight out, and it should look very cool. So those are some big exhausts. Makes a lot nicer sound. Nice web sound. The interior, I believe the interior has not changed from the Nismo. I think I don't think they touched the interior on the Nismo versions. So here's my interior bucket. As you can see, a nice detail in there for the sliding slot, which is actually pretty cool. So, and there's some storage back here, which is actually pretty neat for kind of like a sports car type deal. And then here's the second half, kind of clamps in these little pellets, and then that's the trunk, you want to say it. So, and there's a little bracing that goes there, and so that's pretty cool. There's speakers right there, and then the seats are two-tone or one-tone. I might do a two-tone. I'm not sure yet. I'm still thinking about it. I still gotta do sanding on these, obviously, but the seats are one piece, which is actually pretty cool. So less sanding for that. Very neat. I wish Revell did that, and AMT did one-piece seats. Can't be that hard. AOSHIMA does it. This kit obviously does come with the left and right hand drive dashboard. We're gonna go over the left hand drive because, well, I'm in America. So nice detail. I love the radio system. I mean, nice detail in that. And then here's the right hand drive version. It's just identical, just different driver seat or side. So that's pretty cool. And I believe this kit obviously did not come with the left hand drive. I think it only came with a right hand drive dashboard, but I think AOSHIMA added this sprue in later on, so people can choose what they want to do in their own country. So that's pretty cool they did that. The wheels, these are the wheels that comes with the kit. They actually look pretty cool. I'm not sure if I really like them that much, so I am obviously going to replace them, which I'll share in a sec, but they are very nice. Actual rubber tires, you know, known as AOSHIMA and Tamiya kits, always rubber tires. And so we are going to replace those wheels with these bad boys, and we are going to go with the AOSHIMA VR G2s, 20-inch, and I think these look fantastic. They're 5-spoke, and it looks so cool, and I think they will look very, very good on there. So, and I'm gonna strip the chrome and paint them black as always. I love black wheels. Black wheels are so nice. Don't matter what color the car is. The car can be lighter than, you know, not in anything, and the black wheel will still look fantastic on it. So that's pretty much about the car, about the kit. Like I said, it's basically simplified. It's just curbside. Nothing really to explain. If you're curious, here's the sprue from the non-Nismo version. It's actually from the stock version. So you got the stock license plate frame, I guess. Here's your stock ducktail spoiler, and then your stock, you know, side skirts. So it's pretty cool, you know. So you can kind of do with a both mix, but you know, there's no stock bumpers. You are stuck with the Nismo bumpers, but you know, you do have the ducktail and stuff. You don't want that crazy spoiler what the Nismo version comes with. So, but other than that, that's pretty much about it. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing in color, and then possibly do the second color, probably the gunmetal. Now, I was thinking of doing carbon fiber on the front splitter and stuff, and the side skirt and the back, but the Nismos never had carbon fiber. I actually looked it up, and they said they never use carbon fiber things. Even for aftermarket, it's really hard to find them aftermarket, but they do make them aftermarket. But I was like, eh. They don't make them in carbon fiber. I was like, why don't you just do it in like a gunmetal or a black? So, so we're going to skip the carbon fiber, but I do want to do a carbon fiber roof. I do want some carbon fiber on this car, so we are going to do the carbon fiber roof. Just kind of spice it up a little bit. But other than that, that will be it for this video. Stay tuned. This thing will be in paint, and you know, basically the chassis and interior be assembled. And actually, you're going to see this. Speaking of chassis, here's a chassis. You know, it's very simplified. The transmission's mowed in, and drive shaft and rear axles mowed in, but nothing too major. Some detail painting can definitely take care of that. And then, you know, you're not going to see the engine anyway, because engines always come with these big covers that goes there, and yeah, so it's kind of like no point putting an engine there anyway, because, you know, there's always plastic covers covering the engine. So, but other than that, that will be it for this video. Stay tuned. I have more videos come out in the next couple of days, but until my next video, guys, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.